of the premier promotions in the country. We are called Zeus Combat League. We just had our debut last May 25 in Skydome, and right now we're going to set the tone up for our next event called Supremacy. We're here now with our three esteemed speakers or representatives for the company. If the press has questions, now's the time to take them.
Good morning and good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for that question. Yes, mixed martial arts and ano kinalaman niya sa buhay ko? I started training or finding a discipline. Pumasok yan when I was heading into college. Nung time na yun, nagko-commute lang ako eh. Bilang praning na tao, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, anytime pwede may mangyari sa akin. I wanted to be well equipped. And so I did Wing Chun, may Muay Thai, may boxing, may Kali, kung ano yung pinagagawa ko. But I fell in love specifically with Jiu-Jitsu. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is a sport where you take the fight to the ground and subdue your opponent. And if in any case need be, pwede mo patulugin, you can break the arm or anything, just to protect yourself. And I fell in love more than anything with the sport. Kasi nung nag-start ako mag-aral ng different kinds of fighting systems, it was mainly to protect myself. I wanted to be careful, I wanted to be safe on the streets. Pero ito, nagtuloy-tuloy ako. I went on to continue training, and then now I'm proud to say that I'm a third-degree brown. Wala pa tayo sa black. Third-degree brown belt sa Jiu-Jitsu, and I'm very happy kasi now I get to teach children and then teach them humility, teach them how not to fight kasi marunong kang lumaban in any case na mabuli ka. So ito yung influence sa akin. It's been a great another word for influence, and a great impact in my life because now I'm here. I enjoy the sport. I watch all the pay-per-views, and now I can say I can be part of an organization that creates opportunities for our fighters and the Filipinos.
Thank you.
I just want to ask Bern and BR ba o RB? BR, kanina RB kasi yung sabi nung you can change it. Tanong ko lang, paano nabuo yung collaboration nyo with Rocco? Kumbaga, dito sa Supremacy na to.
Pagkakanta kasi kami magkaibigan ni CEO, ni Rocco. And then, nagsasabayan kami sa mga competitions sa Jiu-Jitsu. Tapos nakikita ko din yung love niya sa sports. Tapos one time, sabi ko sa kanya, bro, baka gusto mong mag-join sa Zeus Combat League ako. Kasi magiging perfect yung partnership pag kami yung sama. So doon na nagsimula. So nag-reply siya, nag-meeting kami. From there, naisip na namin yung mga iba't ibang idea para ma-promote and gumandala na yung mixed martial arts sa Pilipinas.
RB.
And si Kuya Rocco, na-met ko lang siya kay Kuya. Yun.
Ano lang masasabi nyo kay Rocco bilang MMA fighter?
I consider him kasi as a mixed martial arts practitioner na eh. Kasi nga, when you say Jiu-Jitsu, he's a brown belt of Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu kasi talaga yung pinaka-naging effective sa when it comes to MMA. So kaya sabi ko, mas the best na maging partner talaga si Rocco when it comes to Zeus Combat League. Kasi mas magkakaintindihan kami. At the same time, lahat pinag-aralan talaga niya. Boxing siya, nag-Muay Thai siya, at nag-Jiu-Jitsu siya. So madali yung din.
Matagal ka na palang MMA fighter, no? Any memorable experience? Na-aksidente ka na ba? Nasaktan ka na ba? Parang ganun.
Fighter is a strong word. Siguro, practitioner. Mas practitioner. Una-una sa kontrata, hindi ko pwede pasagin ang mukha ko dahil mawawalan ako ng kontrata sa Kapuso Network. Kaya kailangan alagaan ko yan. At the same time, yes, there have been instances na natagdan na yung balikat ko, medyo nagkaroon ako ng konting injury sa elbow, sa wrist. With experience, yes. Alam mo ba, nakalaban ko sa isang boxing match si kapatid ni Franco Loloda, TJR. Oo. Pero parang subo ko sa boxing. Actually, pagkakatapos lang siya ng Party Pilipinas eh. Nag-Party Pilipinas ako, tapos dumiretso ako sa boxing gym kung saan hinuli event. And I competed. It was very, very fun. Pero, sabi ko, that was the longest 4 minutes of my life na, hala, hindi ko ba tapos to? Nagsusundukan kami. Anong dapat ko gawin? Ginugulpin na ako. Ikot ako. Nakatagam ako sa pa. Akala ko madali lang tong sport na to dahil nanonood tayo. Pero coming from a fighter's perspective, kung isang boksingero, para sa akin, ang tagal-tagal ng 4 minutes, what more ang isang mixed martial arts fighter that has to stay for 5 minutes? Diba? 5 minutes per round. You only have 30 seconds to 1 minute para magpahinga and then you do it all over again. Kaya hanga talaga ako sa kanila. Fighter, kaya sabi ko it's a strong word. Practitioner, yes, mas doon ako. Kaya hanga ako sa mga fighters natin.
Last on me, makikita ka rin ba namin on stage sa SM Skydome? Kahit practice lang, no? Parang, I mean, parang, ayan.
Gusto mo mag-surprise tayo? I don't know. Hi, Jojo. Hello. Thank you for coming. It's something I would love to propose if we can. Well, other leagues are already doing this. And it's something we can also back on. Kasi jiu-jitsu is, or the other disciplines, gusto natin sila i-hype. Gusto natin palakihin dito. So if we set the stage, we set the tone, we set the pace, the momentum with mixed martial arts, yes, definitely there will be a venue for other disciplines to get to showcase their And I'm sure sa growing sport ng jiu-jitsu, maraming game dyan. And kung tiyatanong mo na mga kasali ako dyan, baka ako pa maglambing kay Burns na isama ako.
Kahit warm up lang, no? Parang
Hindi, laban. Sige.
looking forward to that, no?
Thank you.
Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Kaya, number one na nakikita ko dyan is yung talent fee ng fighters. Kasi alam naman natin sa combat sport, lalo sa boxing, di ba? Yung mga professionals dito talagang hindi talaga sapat yung mga kinikita nila, di ba? Pero kung compare mo sa sports ng MMA, mas malaki siya. Yun, nandito si Zeus Combat League, sila para i-proper yung mga mali before. Unang-una sa talent fee, ibigyan natin sila ng medyo maayos sa talent fee. At the same time, syempre, yung production din. And para rin magkaroon ng maraming fans yung mga fighters. Para rin sa kanila.
Like I always said, no? Mixed martial arts is growing sa Southeast Asia, sa Europe, and in the States. Philippines is doing exactly that. Marami tayong potential. Mga Philippine team natin lumalaban sa ibang bansa at nananalo. The likes of Meki Ochoa sa Jiu-Jitsu. We have fighters like our Olympic fighters or Olympians. They make an impact. So doon pa lang with the malaking tulong na naging nangyari sa Olympics kasi lahat ngayon gusto pumasok sa boxing or gumawa ng ganitong sport, and these are things that can give us careers. Kung hindi pa natin alam kung ano gusto natin gawin sa buhay, maybe it's sports, maybe it's boxing, maybe it's a different field. Kaya sa mga gustong sumabak dito, go for it. Hindi nyo malalaman kung para sa inyo. Maybe start small. Start with a discipline. If you enjoy it, maybe move on to another one. Find out what works for you. At hindi mo kailangang pilitin eh. Kung hindi para sa'yo, move on to another one. No need to be frustrated. But when it comes in general with sports, talagang we are all for it. Because one, it will help us get off our phones. Dito tayo sa generation ngayon na laging lahat, puro social media, we're always on our gadgets. We promote sports to promote socialization, fitness, mental health. Kaya very proud kami to be practitioners of the sport also and to be able to share our knowledge sa mga kabataan. Ang naramdaman ko was the sincerity and the love for our Filipinos who are also fighters. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, Burns is also used to, sabi niya, ayaw ng is eh, gusto niya used to be. He used to be an MMA fighter, a very famous one, and if you look him up, you'll be finding his highlights on YouTube. And he knows what it's like to be a fighter, what he goes through as a fighter, and now he has a chance to uplift and improve the whole system. And it's a big responsibility. And yun ang nakita ko sa kanya. A very selfless move that he made, now being the president of Zeus Combat League. And I said, I want in. Because, actually ako na mismo lumapit eh. And because I really enjoyed what I saw with with Ground Zero, the first event, and a lot of people from different walks of life came to the event, sold out, packed, punong-puno, ubos na yung tickets, people were still coming in, sitting on the stairs, just to watch. Meron tayong famous fighters from different provinces na pumunta, and just to support, kasi lahat kasi nagkakaisa, yung community talaga. On one stage, on one night, nagsasama sila. So, nung nakita ko kung gaano ka-selfless yung mga ginagawa ni Burns, sabi ko, I have to be part of this. I have to use my reach, I have to use my influence and network to tell people that we have this. Meron tayong ganitong option. People can enjoy this, yung mga mahilig manood. We are here.